Hi, I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. In this video, I'm going to do a video walkthrough of 2962 North Lawndale. 2962 North Lawndale is in the Avondale neighborhood of Chicago, just north of Logan Square. As we start the tour, you can see there's 4 mailboxes at the gate. This building is a 4-unit building. As you walk in the front door, there is a small lobby, and Unit 1 is on the first floor. As you walk into the front door of the unit, you walk directly into the living room and kitchen combo. You can see that there's large windows with lots of light and 2 ceiling fans in the living room. As you walk into the unit, the first bedroom is on the right. This bedroom is 9 by 9 approximately. And behind the door, you see there is actually a very large walk-in closet for this bedroom. Going back out in the living room, you see that there is a wraparound kitchen with granite countertops and an area for bar stools. Stainless steel appliances, including dishwasher. This apartment does have central heat and central air conditioning, which you can see the programmable thermostat is right there. And walking into the second bedroom, which is 10 foot by 9 foot, there is a ceiling fan and a large closet. Going into the bathroom, there are 2 sinks along with the toilet, shower, and tub. And the third bedroom is also 10 by 9 with a ceiling fan and large closet with mirrored doors. And the last room is the utility room, which does have the washer dryer, your furnace, and the hot water heater for the apartment. So all utilities are self-contained, so you don't share it with any other apartments. Walking out on the back, you see there's a large deck for the apartment, and then the parking lot accommodates 6 cars, so 3 units would all be able to park 2 cars each.